This video is all about making password reset USB disks for all Windows version, including Windows 7, 8, 10 and 11. So any version you are using, without losing your data, you can reset your password in Windows. So I'm going to show you step by step, and this is very easiest and simplest way to do it, and it will work 100% in any Windows version. So watch till the end, and if you like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with others who need it. The tools required to make this is only Ventoy software. As you can see over here, you need to search in Google for Ventoy and go to download section and download that zip file at the first you can see over there. And then after downloading, so I've already downloaded it, you can see over here it's a zip file. You need to download that, and next requirement is you need to search for Hiren boot cd, and the first link you can see over here, you need to go to that link and click on the download section over here. Click on that and scroll down to the bottom and download that file name. Click on that icon or name and it will be downloaded. That is ISO file for Hiren boot cd. You can see over here it is downloaded in my system already. So after downloading, go to download folder, extract it using any software, 7zip or WinRAR or any other. In this way also you can extract, and other way you can also extract. I will show you both the way. Look, right click on it and go to extract here option. You can extract in that way. Okay, extract here. So that way you can extract. Okay, and I've already extracted, so I'm saying yes to all. It is extracted. Now you can see the unzip folder over here. Double click on it, open this folder, and you can see the icon with application tag. Double click on it. So you need a pen drive to make it. So I've already attached pen drive of 16 GB. As you can see over there, it is showing. Just verify it whether that is the right one or not, and if you have any data inside that pen drive, just delete it. I have already created the Ventoy, so it was showing Ventoy name over there, but in your case it won't show. After creating it, it will show. So if you have data, just back up it and click on install if your pen drive is free. Okay, it is asking me to write yes to delete all the files, so I will write over here yes and click on OK. This is a simple way. Click yes again, it will delete all the data. I don't worry because I have backup my data. So it takes few seconds to complete. So this will create the Ventoy pen drive, and after creating it, yeah, success message, click on OK, close it. Now after closing, go to download section, and we have downloaded the ISO file of Hiren. ISO file, copy that. After copying, you need to paste in that same pen drive which we have created using Ventoy just now. You can see here Ventoy. Open and paste it. So it is 3.5 GB file around, so it will take some time to paste. So we'll wait for that. It takes some time to copy over here in the pen drive, and copying task is almost over now. You can see now in the pen drive, you can see this ISO file over here. This is the file we required, and this is done. The making process is done. Now you need to insert this pen drive in the laptop where you want to reset the password, and you can continue further process. Let's verify it and watch my next video for installation and reset process in the laptop itself. This video is all about resetting a password of your computer, whether you have installed Windows 7 or Windows 8, Windows 10 or Windows 11. So I'll be showing you how you can reset it without deleting or removing any files. Okay, let me enter the enter button without entering password. So it is saying the password is incorrect. Try again. Let me enter some password, and still it is wrong. Watch the part 1 video to make USB and insert in computer. Press the power button and press F12 for the boot sequence. Press the F12 button for the boot sequence, as you can see written here. This is different for different laptop and computer. So you need to select USB. You can use arrow button to go up and down USB storage and press enter. So when you do that, this Hiren boot ISO file or the Ventoy tool will start. So you can continue here. Okay, so it is loading. As you can see, this is loaded. So in your computer also, laptop also, it will be loaded like this. Press enter button and you will see these options. You need to go for normal boot mode. Press enter. The simple way it will load. Now it will take few minutes, 1 or 30 seconds also. Loading is almost finished now. Let's wait for a few seconds. After loading, it looked like Windows 10 and it is starting now. Let's wait for the screen to come up. Okay, this is the screen. This is also initializing, so let's wait for a few seconds. It takes time based on your PC's performance and laptop performance. So after loading, it looked like a Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer or laptop. You can see the screen like this. Okay, after loading, you have to go to this start button and press this all program. Click on this all program. From all program, you need to go to only one thing, that is security. And you can see this option here, passwords. And from here also, you need to go to this option, Windows login unlocker. So click on that. Now it will display you the users whichever is available in your computer. As you can see, guest user, this one. So you can either click here in this reset or unlock, or you can right click on this name, guest user, whichever the user you want to reset, and click on reset password option. Click on it. It is saying to reset, okay, and user password reset, okay. And you can see here this password field is blank. Now your guest user password is reset successfully. Now what you need to do, you need to just close this one and shut down this ISO Hiren boot one, Ventoy one. Shut down this and remove the USB drive, and your computer will start normally, and you can log in to your guest account without entering password. You can see here guest user, and it is saying welcome without entering a password. So password is reset successfully. You can log in without entering password now.